I'm gonna let him run the show. Don't let me forget. I want to really talk to you about this.
Yeah, let's talk.
This deal here because I'm not real thrilled with it.
Well, tell me what's going on.
Well, what they do, and you know, you go in, you talk to the doctor, and they're like, "Okay, we're going to do the surgery," and then the sales rep's like, "Okay, here this is, boom."
Right.
Well, fine, but we got this on, and neither one of us really understand it. But the problem is that I don't like it, and do I absolutely have to have it?
So
to me, I like this, but I want to do what's
extra Velcro.
But I want to do what's best for me.
The theory behind this is when you think of the blood supply to the shoulder, imagine a hose, right? Garden hose. As I bend the hose, I start to constrict or restrict the water flow. This position isn't bad, but it doesn't optimally influence blood flow. If we pop you out just a little bit, and that's really what that is for. Your elbow should just rest on there, relax. That changes the angle and that unkinks the hose. So we get a little bit better blood flow.
Okay.
Now that being said, let's take a look at it.
Yeah, because I have no idea how it's supposed to work.
Let me get you to stand up for me.
Sure.
And you know, that's one of those things that I always talk about. So you just relax the shoulder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this out just a little bit. I'm going to bring this underneath. And first, just resting like that.
So that's where it's supposed to go, not here.
Where it is right now is where it's supposed to go.
Okay.
Where did you guys have it?
Well, I didn't know. We had it there.
I had the contour to here.
Yeah.
But this was tricky to go around his waist. This was as uncomfortable
so
as you could possibly get.
And this isn't, you know.
What I'd like that to be is loose if it's possible.
Absolutely. I mean, that's as tight as it needs to be.
So does this have to Velcro? Does it Velcro?
It has Velcro, so right now it's stuck inside.
It was down here.
Yeah.
It was over there. and this got up here. And I just took Velcro and patched him up because I didn't know what to do.
So right now, this is just about it. This is all there is to it.
That's it, yeah.
And then you can still slip it on and off if you want to.
Now, what I'd like to try, I'm going to open this up just a little bit.
Good. No, because I didn't. Yeah.
So same thing, kind of relax that. There we go.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. That allows it to be down.
Right. Now let's see where we have these little Velcros. Hang on a sec. Yeah, so they always have these reps that come in and kind of get you set up. But they've never worn this. They have no idea, you know?
No.
And they're usually, I don't know this place, but they're usually younger. And
they are, and they're good people, but it's like, it's just, you know, to you students who are watching this, take care of your body so that when you're 70 years old, you don't have to do this. This is from being an electrician.
Okay, and if you guys want, you could turn on your videos. You don't have to, whatever works best for you. Okay, so let me see you now again. Okay. Just kind of relax.
Okay.
Okay. Now, how does that feel? Do you feel tense still, or are you?
No, I don't feel tense at all. My only concern is that this is going to stay here and not fall away.
It is so locked in there.
Okay.
It's not going to go anywhere.
It is comfortable.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it okay for him to still slip this off instead of Velcro this every time?
Yeah, like when I want to take it.
Yeah, so and we're going to take it off in just a minute.
Okay, good.
So we're just really doing this number, and the top of it is
I don't think you even really have to do that one. So normally when we're going to take it off, what it's going to be is you're going to pop this.
Yeah.
So that takes that off.
Okay.
And then you're going to take.
I thought that was two things.
They're two, but I don't know why. They're in the same.
Show you again. Okay, so one goes there.
Yeah.
That's it. So we've got this back one, and we've got this front one.
Okay.
That's there, and then this guy, which I just used the Velcro. Let me show her. So this normally is just right in there.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, no, I can make that looser if I want.
Yeah, Yeah.
Okay.
That really doesn't need to be anything.
Okay. Well, see, this is great. I understand now why they want you to do this. It's just that it was so, we just had everything so fouled up. It was like, this is crazy.
This is
Now,
for this.
What this one is for, which I do kind of like it. So I'm never a big fan of this being up on the neck.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So what this would do is this would come in, it would grab a hold here, and it would kind of bring this down a little bit.
That's, yeah.
So that it's not up there on your neck as much.
That's better, I know, because I have issues with my neck.
Let's do this.
How are we going to remember all that?
I'm gonna make it so that it's fail safe.
Okay.
I won't say dummy proof. I'll
No.
say fail safe.
All right. There's a test on this when this is over, you guys. Okay.
And what will happen is once we get this apart, there we go. And if any of this Velcro at any point, like, rubs your skin or bugs you or whatever,
Yeah.
you know, just take it off.
Well,
I mean, at the end of the day, as long as you're not going crazy, doing jumping jacks, like, you know, you're going to be fine.
well, this is better. Really, I understand now why they want this. I just thought it was like overkill.
Right, right. So this is what I'm going to do. And guys, this is what I do like for home programs and stuff. I'm going to record you taking this off so you know how to put it back on. Okay? So I'm going to start a little video. So basically, I'm going to ask you to unclip those two.